Hey Alpus family, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the FUJIFILM X mirrorless camera, a real game changer in the camera world. Stick around because this one's packed with features that'll make you rethink your current gear. For a better experience, make sure to watch this video with subtitles. First impressions and design. The FUJIFILM X makes an impressive first impression with its sleek silver body and compact design. Lightweight yet sturdy, this camera feels like a premium piece of equipment. The design immediately stands out due to its dedicated film simulation dial. This feature is a game changer for photographers who love to experiment with different looks without diving into menus. The X borrows heavily from its flagship sibling, Despina, reigning along the same 40.2 APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor and X processor 5. What sets the X apart is its interchangeable lens capability. This flexibility means you're not tied to a fixed lens, allowing you to adapt to different shooting scenarios with ease. With its streamlined design, the X is travel-friendly, fitting comfortably in your hand thanks to its remodeled grip. This new curved design ensures precision handling, crucial for capturing those perfect moments. Stellar performance. Performance-wise, the X-T50 shines. The camera's 40.2 megapixels APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor delivers exceptional image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors. The X processor 5 ensures everything runs smoothly, even when shooting in 6.230 pixel or 460 pixel 4 to 210-bit video. The dedicated film simulation dial includes the latest ALAAC, giving photographers a vast array of creative options right at their fingertips. Each film simulation mode replicates the look of classic film stocks, adding a nostalgic touch to your photos. One of the standout features is the 7-stop and body image stabilization. This makes handheld shooting a breeze, even in low light conditions. The AI-assisted AF subject detection is another highlight, making it incredibly easy to capture moving subjects with precision. Whether you're photographing wildlife, sports, or just your hyperactive dog, the autofocus system performs admirably. Features that matter. Let's talk about some of the features that truly make the X-T50 a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. The native frame. EO camera to cloud integration is a godsend for professionals who need to streamline their workflow. This feature allows you to upload your photos and videos directly to the cloud, making collaboration and storage management effortless. The FUJIFILM X-T50 also supports a wide range of X-series lenses, adding to its versatility. Additionally, it includes a 1.4x and 2x digital teleconverter, expanding your framing capabilities without the need for extra lenses. This is particularly useful for wildlife and sports photography, where getting close to the action is essential. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the 6.230p, 460p, and Full HD to 140p recording options. The 4 to 210-bit video quality is superb, providing rich colors and deep contrast. The camera's ability to shoot in various resolutions and frame rates means you can create stunning slow-motion sequences or crisp, higher-resolution footage. Usability and Connectivity. The X-T50 is all about making life easier for its users. The intuitive interface ensures that both beginners and seasoned pros can navigate the camera with ease. The 3-inch flip-out, vari-angle touch LCD with a rotating user interface for vertical video is perfect for vlogging and selfies. The background to focus button is a nifty feature that instantly toggles between bokeh on and off, allowing you to create stunning portraits with creamy backgrounds. For those who need to shoot on the go, the FUJIFILM X-T50 offers excellent connectivity options. The camera supports USB to PC or wider radio or for easy live streaming. This makes it a fantastic choice for content creators who need to go live on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. The easy speed up and slow down motion with slow and quick functionality is another great tool for adding creative flair to your videos. Face priority keeps faces correctly exposed even in harsh lighting conditions, ensuring your subjects look their best. The camera's optimized color reproduction, enhanced skin tones, and professional video functions like S-Intone and S-Log 3 to make it a powerful tool for any visual storyteller. Price and value. Now let's talk about the price. At $1,399, the FUJIFILM X-T50 offers tremendous value for its features. While it's not the cheapest camera on the market, its performance and versatility justify the price tag. The build quality, extensive feature set, and impressive image and video output make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about photography and videography. Compared to other cameras in its price range, the X-T50 stands out due to its film simulation capabilities and professional-grade video features. The ability to use a wide range of X-series lenses adds to its value, making it a camera that can grow with you as you expand your photography skills. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the FUJIFILM X-T50 mirrorless camera is a formidable contender in the mirrorless camera market. It combines top-tier performance with an extensive feature set, making it suitable for both photographers and videographers. The dedicated film simulation dial, 40.2 megapixel sensor, and X processor 5 ensure stunning image quality and creative flexibility. While no camera is perfect, the X-T50 comes pretty close. Its minor drawbacks, such as the learning curve associated with its extensive feature set, are easily overshadowed by its benefits. For those willing to invest time in mastering its capabilities, the X-T50 will undoubtedly become an invaluable tool. If you're in the market for a new camera that offers exceptional value, versatility, and performance, the FUJIFILM X-T50 is well worth considering. Check it out and elevate your photography and videography game to the next level. Thank you for joining us on AltBuzz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.